Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BMW ConnectedDrive for EV battery preconditioning. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the BMW ConnectedDrive website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to your ConnectedDrive dashboard. Look for the My Vehicle section on the dashboard. Select your EV from the list of vehicles associated with your account. Once your vehicle details are displayed, locate the preconditioning option. Click on Preconditioning to access battery preconditioning settings. Adjust the preconditioning settings according to your preference. Save your changes to ensure the settings are applied. You can now monitor your battery status and preconditioning schedule. To log out, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select the Logout option to exit the ConnectedDrive platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.